Here. Come here. Freya. Come and stand here. Ha. Read. Face the class and read.
India's first space, Bipin Rawat, his wife, and 11 others were killed in a helicopter crash. This is the headline.
Put your mask down. And now face the class. Hold the book in your hand and face the class.
By Freya Delia on Wednesday.
Okay, what is one sec? I'm going to interrupt you in between. What is the first thing that you have to write?
Heading.
Heading. Start writing. Start
heading.
heading. Take
Heading.
your notebook and start writing. You people want to handheld me and make me do the article, no? You people are in grade 1, right? Nonsense.
Ma'am, what we have to write?
What was the question?
Ma'am, I have already written news article.
Food in Surat. I didn't like that news report.
Ma'am, I have already written news article.
So Yash, you will listen to it carefully and switch on your camera so that I know what you're doing. Aryaman, I can't see you, beta. Yash, I can't see you. Okay. So what is the first thing? Now we are going to write an article on Tapti Valley received the best school award. And nobody is going to interrupt me in between. No, Tapti Valley has received the best school award in So the news article that you have to write is that you've got news from somewhere that Tapti Valley has received the best school award in Surat. Right? This was the question that I gave. So what will be the heading? What is the first thing that you have to write? Come to the format. What is the first thing that you have to write?
Heading.
Heading. Give me
Ma'am,
the heading quickly.
Headline.
Nobody will say
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
TVIN, Tapti Valley International School, received an award for best school in Surat.
Got it, Daria? You just people simply just don't want to do the homework and then you tell your parents we've not understood what is done in the class because we are daydreaming. It's more of a will issue than a skill issue here. It's not that you cannot do it. It's that we don't want to do it. They're two different things.
Ma'am, can you tell the headline?
Yash, you will keep quiet. Because I can't see you at all, so don't talk to me. I can see only your hair. Don't talk to me. Where is your notebook? Have you written the article? See, such a good boy writing the article from Dubai.
Ma'am,
You
I
understood what I teach in online class, but you people don't understand what I teach you face to face. Right, you just write what I'm dictating, then we'll hear it out. So what the heading will be? Yeah, don't ask me any silly questions, people, which have already been answered already. That's just a waste of time. Yeah, Nishika. Very funny question.
You made us
So we've put the heading. What is the next thing in the format? Byline. Photo will come in the end. I mean,
Ma'am,
we'll think of the photo in the end.
Ma'am, what's the heading again?
Just below the headline.
Corner. If
Ma'am,
this
what's
is
the
the
heading
heading,
again?
give me one newspaper. This one. All of you have brought the newspaper. Children, have you brought the newspaper?
Ma'am, don't have. Yes,
Very funny. I said I don't want to listen to this. I don't have. I said arrange one in those 2 weekends.
Still don't have one. Ma'am, I was absent that day.
So if I go by this newspaper, the first headline says, "Two." Have you been given a punishment? Why is that?
Ma'am, what?
Two held for running gambling racket. See the headline. Two held for running gambling racket. That's the headline. What is the byline? The name of the person is supposed to be up below the word racket. So where will be your name? You put the heading, right? Have you put the heading? So where will be your
Ma'am,
name?
could you tell the
Under
heading
the
again?
last word of your heading.
Ma'am, could you tell
Under
the
the
heading again?
last. Shh. Vigdad, what is it, beta?
Could you tell the heading again? I didn't catch it.
You have to write a news article that Tapti Valley International School has received the best school award in Surat. So that's
Yeah,
how
so
you're
heading?
So heading will be
Heading?
what? Tapti Valley received best school award.
What? Ma'am, see all the headings.
Dhairya, if you've dropped your senses somewhere, please pick it up. I said twice something, right? What did I say just now, Dhairya? I told your mother also is not paying attention in the class. What did I say just now? Just under the last word of your heading, whichever is the last word of your heading, in the next line, just under that, you will write your name. And I'm not going to repeat things twice here. I can't hear you. Next is what in the format? Place line. So in a new line, you will write the place where this incident or the news happened. So what will it be? Surat. So write in block.
Yes, ma'am.
Surat colon. Okay. Now this one, two held for running gambling racket.
Surat, Gujarat.
Yash, what is it?
Ma'am, we can write Surat and Gujarat also.
Yeah, Surat, comma Gujarat. So this news that I read from the newspaper also happened in Surat. So they have written like this. Do you see this Surat? Yeah, online children.
Okay. So, ma'am, we write it below the line.
Huh?
Ma'am, we write it below the line. Below.
Yeah.
Headline.
New line. Surat colon and then the news starts. What is the first W?
Ma'am, who?
This is the headline. So they've just written the name of the newspaper.
Ma'am, is this okay? Now we have to put the semicolon after Gujarat.
Lead paragraph. Lead paragraph. Ma'am, I found.
Ma'am, for who?
How funny am I?
Ma'am, first W who?
Who is already answered? TVIS won.
The name will be on the right hand side corner of your news. The right hand side corner of your news. bylines. Now I'm going to talk in language only. I'm not going to talk simple English.
Ma'am,
Your
C.
name will be on the rightmost corner of the line. Excellent. Nishika Choksi.
Ma'am, the place is named by me.
Ma'am,
Such an important question. When she has time, she will.
ma'am, C online, Yash.
Yeah. Mumbai. Next is what? Place line. We've written Surat, Gujarat. Now the news starts. What are the 5 W's? 1 minute. 1 minute.
Ma'am, withdraw.
Children, give
Who,
me 1
what,
minute.
where?
1 minute.
Ma'am, Yash online.
1 minute.
Where? Now, if I remove this, they won't be able to see. Okay, children, what, when, why, where, sorry, who, what, when, why,
Ma'am,
where,
can you
how.
say everything?
I will say everything again.
Ma'am, how is how?
1
How
minute.
is
1 minute.
how? What?
I am telling you. So what do we have to do? We have to answer the 5 W's and 1 H, right? And our report will be ready.
And what are
So
values
the
and why?
first one is write down in rough. Who, what, when, why, where. Let me see if this reaches till there.
switch off the speaker.
You want to put it off?
Off, right? They're anyways not able to hear me.
Not put it off from here. So long.
Pull it a little. Can you see the board online?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but it's too much hard. That's why I can't see.
Ma'am, it's so clear.
Is it mirror image or is it proper?
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
so
you
clear.
have to write.
Huh? Rudra Jajadia?
So super clear.
No, answer my question. Is it a mirror image or is it proper?
Ma'am, if you want to write, you need to write it in big words.
Very funny, Rudra. Please come to school if you want to see it in big words.
Ma'am, it's clear. And ma'am, it's like mirror image also. Ma'am, can you please laptop little bit forward?
Children, is it big enough?
Yes.
Freya?
Yes, ma'am, it's big enough.
You have to come to school for that, Rudra.
Ma'am, I can see. Ma'am, it is so clear.
Okay, now listen. Yash Desai. See? So the first one, shh, now nobody will talk. You people will write this in the meanwhile. I have explained you all, no? No, this is not complete yet. Wait. Not complete. Quotations are missing. Quotations are missing. Okay, listen, children in the online class. So the first thing that we have to answer is who. So who received the award? TVIS, right?
Tapti Valley.
Tapti Valley International School. What award did it receive? It received the Best School of Surat award, right? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
when did it receive? On 12th December 2021. Why here is optional, but we will come back to it. Children listening, we will come back to why.
Ma'am, yesterday is okay. Yesterday.
Ah, Baba, yesterday. Okay. Okay, next. Where did the award function? Where was the award function held? In Sanjeev Kumar Auditorium. And how is optional? Okay. Now let's come back to why. And what else? What, Migdal?
We have to write this.
Yeah, you have to write this. If you get the answers of all these 5 questions, your report will be ready. Okay. So, you will get this much from the report. Now what is additional information that you can put? Who received the award? Principal sir. So what will you write? Additional information. Mr. G.R. Shiv Kumar, the principal. When I speak, you listen. When you speak, what talk? Let's respect it. Can you please write the spelling of the No, sorry. Can you grade 5? So what additional information can we write? Who received the award? So Mr. G.R. Shiv Kumar received the award on behalf of Tapti Valley International School. Then what can we write? Quotation. Quotation in the sense, what did he say? When a person goes to the stage for an award, they are asked to say something, no? So that we can use in quotation. He said,
He was asked to give a speech or something on the stage. So what did he say? Mr. Shiv Kumar said, put it in quotes, what did he say? The award received, what have he said?
He said it's all because of the support of faculty. Of faculty.
Of the fraternity. Fraternity means the teachers and the staff. Okay? And quotation marks close. Right? What can we attach in the image if we have a picture of him receiving the award? Arna and Sapnil, please go.
In the photo, they could not give his photo saying us.
Any picture related to the incident. As in he's standing on the stage holding the mic. As in he's holding a trophy. Anything. Huh? You can attach a picture of Lucky Van banner. If you don't have a picture of the I want you to ask. I want to see it. You have a very bad habit of coming here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1, 2, 3. What else can you write? Among the other schools were Millennium School, DPS, Fountainhead, who were competing for the Best School Award. This is something we are writing in addition to elongate our article. Now have you understood how an article is to be
Yes.
written? Now I am giving you another homework. Write down the question. Write down the next question on the next page.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can we write our own answers in why? What? Excuse me, ma'am.
Highlight one. You can also highlight the features of the school. Like it has an indoor sports complex, the whole small space,
Can I say something?
hygienic food. But what you have to remember is don't write it first person. You don't have to behave as if you are a student of the school. Our school, my principal, children were doing that and fighting.
So, because of its cleanliness, and I want to say that the other school that completed, the school, other schools are more focused on the educational part, but Taktival does an all-round development. So, how can I?
It also includes extracurricular activities. It gives equal importance to extracurricular activities as well, which other schools don't. Okay, now the next question is, let me dictate the question and come back to that. Okay, the next question, write down.
Yes. No, next.
Mr. Lakshay Kakral, please stop playing with that.
Yeah. And let me say.
Ma'am, can I
Question
add
is-
something?
Write a report, write a news article
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
on a, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write a news article on a girl, on a 3-year-old girl, on a 3-year-old girl. Rudra Chichadia, you're just yawning and not writing. And tomorrow, dare you come to my class without doing the homework.
Excuse
I'll
me,
remove
ma'am.
you from the class forever. And I'm not going to repeat what I said.
Excuse me,
Yeah,
ma'am.
fine.
Ma'am, in the TV, yes. In the who, what, when, why, where, can we write our own answers?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you very much.
That's just the format I explained. Okay. Anyone who doesn't uh, follow the format will not get marks. Write a report on a 3-year-old girl who went missing. Who went missing? No, make it 6-year-old. Make it 6-year-old.
And what happened? Who
Thank you. Finish.
who went
Missing while coming back from school. While coming back from school. Okay. Now, what all can you include? Nobody will talk in between. I'm going to give you the hints. What all can you include? Headline first, byline, your name, place line, the place from where the girl went missing. If it's New Delhi, Surat, Mumbai, it can be anything, not just school. Then, no, I will say. And which school was she in? What time was she coming back? Okay. What are the names? You can take the statements, quotations of her parents. Of her parents. What did they say? What time does she usually come back? And this time she did not come back. Okay. Uh,
she was found by a old man.
she's still missing, darling. She's not yet found. And whose picture will we put there? The missing girl. The missing girl and the phone number. Who can be contacted in case someone finds that girl.
So, ma'am, it is on the Google web to search of any girl like this he is saying that if we whatever we search in Google, 6 and then the girl is keep it in the book. That's what he is. Yes, ma'am, like it must be happened to any girl, but not in the age. So we can write. I will research on that and then write in the notebook about the same. Is it okay?
I have given you a lead that print this news in the newspaper. Why do you have to search Google? Use your brain and answer these 5 questions and write.
Ma'am, do we have to write this right now?
No, no, no. This is your homework. We're going to discuss it tomorrow.
And what to do of newspaper?
Got it? Now everyone will look into the newspaper that you people have brought and silently read the articles. Find the place line, byline,
Tana natti
fact
lag-
read.
Tana
Can't hear.
Ma'am, your mic is off. Ma'am, your mic is off.
Ma'am, your mic.